Ford just unveiled the new Ford Mustang GTD. While the rumors of it being mid-engine are not true, what is true is that this 800 plus horsepower monster is the most powerful and fastest Mustang Ford has ever produced. My name is Braden, you're watching MotorBiscuit, and we're going to tell you everything you need to know about this all-new supercar killing Mustang. Ford spared no expense in ensuring this new Mustang will dominate anything thrown at it on track. In fact, it's the closest thing to the race-ready Mustang GT3 you can buy for road use. It actually uses aero technology that's illegal in racing. More on that later. First, here's what you want to know. The Mustang GTD uses a purpose-built 5.2-liter supercharged V8 with a dry sump oil system to ensure things stay properly lubricated in extreme cornering scenarios. It's mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transaxle setup that powers the rear wheels. That, though, is not the only party in the back. The GTD uses a tubular rear subframe and horizontally mounted coilover springs with adaptive spool shocks that can adjust both stiffness and ride height to ensure maximum grip is applied through corners. Ford says its goal is for the GTD to lap the Nürburgring in under 7 minutes. Virtually all of the major body components are made from carbon fiber to ensure the car is lightweight and maintains a low center of gravity. All of this combined with 325mm tires up front, 345s in the rear, and carbon ceramic brakes means this is not something anyone on track wants to see coming up behind them. The available aero package adds an underbody carbon fiber tray and hydraulically controlled flaps up front to manage airflow for aerodynamic balance in coordination with the active rear wing. That, my friends, is illegal to use in racing. The GTD is also 4 inches wider than a standard GT and includes 2 massive hood scoops where the trunk lid would typically be to actively cool the rear transaxle. This and the large openings at the front of the quarter panels is likely what stirred the mid-engine rumors in the first place. Finally, the interior features Recaro seats, Miko suede, leather, and carbon fiber. In addition, you can order it with 3D printed titanium components like the paddle shifters, serial plate, and rotary dial made from retired Lockheed Martin F-22 titanium parts. Yes, seriously, you can order your GTD with components made from retired jet fighters. In addition, the GTD is built by Multimatic. That's the company that brought us the legendary Ford GT, and as one might expect, that means it comes with quite a hefty price tag. Ford says the starting MSRP is to be approximately $300,000. Good news though, you can order it in whatever color you want, even paint to sample. Overall, Ford clearly chose to drop the mic with the Mustang GTD. While it's certainly not accessible to most, we hope that those who do have the chance to buy one put it to proper use. It makes us sad to think that these might just sit in a garage waiting for their day to cross an auction block. Thank you so much for tuning into this MotorBiscuit video. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with all of our reviews and other videos. Let us know what you think of the Mustang GTD in the comments, and for all sorts of automotive news and info, visit us at MotorBiscuit.com.